Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of guys. In today's episode, I am going to a new passenger tour, and the tour name is it's Atlantic Ocean Road. And right now, I am on ferry. You can see this is not a land; this is a ferry, and this ferry will gonna take us to another island over there. Okay, from there we gonna go ahead, and then we gonna end up in Atlantic Ocean Road. So it's a good tour, and I am also gonna get a free lunch. So I'm really excited. It will be a local lunch of Norway. It will be fish and chips or something like that. But I'll definitely gonna make a video about that. So that's it. And one more thing, guys, I always say this in my video and I'm saying it again. It is lovely. You can see, I mean, it's cloudy, but it is beautiful. Just see, look around me. Okay, let me do one thing. I'll change my camera so you can see more properly. Okay, you can see, oh, look at that view, the mountain kissing the clouds. Oh, and it's windy, it's nice, it is beautiful. So my ferry is started moving now, and we are heading to another island, and from there it's like we're gonna sit in the same bus and then we'll go. Okay, guys. Well, guys, this is very famous, the underwater tunnel. Yes, guys, and this is around 8 kilometers long, and this is just underwater tunnel and nothing to say about it. All the side you can see concrete, we cannot say the water. Well, guys, this is called Atlantic Ocean Road. In this, like, this is a long road and you can have a view of Atlantic. You can see this Atlantic Sea both the side. This is Atlantic Ocean Road. So it's just a road, and you'll see, I mean, further ahead when we'll go, you'll see the houses, and there are places where you can go and fish also, I mean, for fishing. And yes, it's beautiful. I mean, there is no word I can define this place. It's such a beautiful place, so you can enjoy the view. I'm sorry, guys, you can see a little bit drop of water because it was raining before, so that is why you can see the drop of water. And while we were traveling, the bus guide told us that the new James Bond movie is shot on this road. There is one scene which was shot on this road. So this road was nearly blocked for 7 days, I guess. So it was a big problem for them. You can see that there's a people just beside that. They were fishing there. So, and that bridge, I need to cross the long bridge over there now, and we'll cross that. And same, it's like you'll have a sea, and it's cold. Today's temperature is nearly about 10 degrees. So this is it. Well, guys, this is my first stop. I just got down from my bus, and this is a very, very, very small island. So it's not exactly where we are going, but this is the small island, and this is some kind of a restaurant over there just beside me, and I just been inside. If you want, I can show it to you if it's open from here. Oh, alright, so I'll just show you. He's the lovely person, he's driving me today. Say hello to India.
Hello.
So this is the restaurant. I'm not gonna buy anything from here now or have anything because we already have, I mean, there is food waiting for us which is free of cost, so why to waste money? And anyways, I don't drink coffee and tea, I only have chai. So I'll just take you out now. Alright. So you can see the sun is out. Minutes before it was raining, and actually it is still raining. You can see there, over there, it is still raining, and I can feel shower comes. So before it get heavy rain, I'll just take a walk a little bit and show it to you what exactly is this island all about. You can see, oh wow, it's looking damn beautiful when it's raining over there. One thing about Norway, guys, it is cold. No matter it's summer or any other season, it is damn cold. Now also my hands are freezing. So what I'll do is I'll just switch the camera and show it to you exactly how it's looking like. So yes guys, you can see it is beautiful, isn't it? And it's windy also. It's rainy, it's windy. People are going up, but you know why, guys? And this is a bridge to go up. I mean, just a small bridge. Seriously, I don't want to go up because it's very cold, and because I am from Mumbai, I don't have very warm clothes. And last contract I was in Caribbean. You won't believe, I spent my whole contract in just one short pant and 5 t-shirts, 4 t-shirts. So it was like that. But now I'm in Norway and I'm doing this Norwegian side, which is very cold. So that's it. So I'm just making some beautiful shots. It's quiet, it's beautiful. I mean, I feel like I'm in some other world. The air, yeah, because we are from Mumbai and India, there's so many places in India is nowadays getting polluted. So it's good to have a fresh air once in a while. And even on ship, like if we work on ship and it's like 24 hours we are inside the ship, we are in air condition, we don't get that kind of a fresh air. But here we are getting a fresh air, so it's beautiful. Guys, I don't think so I can go more further because it started raining, and when it starts raining, it's not a rain like India when it's the water is little warmer. It is freezing and I don't want to get wet because my sweater, my jacket is not for rainy season, it is for winter one. So I will just run and I'll switch off this camera. So well guys, the first stop is over. Now I need to head to my bus and we are going to another stop. I don't know which place we are going because we'll be doing serials of stop. But one thing is that I'm really very hungry now. I want to eat something very fast. So the rain is gone now and you can see the sun is out little over there. And my hairs are flying in the air. Alright, so catch you later. Means once we have another. Oh my god, look at that, rain came back. I need to go into bus very quickly. Alright.